What is a goal? So basically, a goal is a broad primary outcome. The outcome that you want to achieve. It is the end result. What is it that you want? Very specific in claims, we can easily state, ganito, we want to increase the revenue from claims. Kasi claims, di ba? May iba pang revenue, out of pocket, whatever it is. Pero sa claims reimbursement, we want to increase. Okay. So, if you want your revenue to increase from claims, can you please type me if kayo ito? Okay? Type me kung gusto ho ninyo ng ganito. Okay, you have me. Okay. Thank you po. So, yan yung goal. Kailangan hong malinaw. Okay? Next. So, tapos ka na sa G. Now, the next here is, ito po, strategy. So, strategy means the approach po, okay, you take to achieve the goal. Meron kang outcome, di ba, kanina. Ngayon, ano ba yung approach mo? Okay? Well, it's very simple actually. It's so simple that we tend to neglect it. So, example, strategy. Okay, gusto ko mag-increase yung reimbursement ko. Paano? So, ito, let us reduce, okay, the RTH. Let us reduce yung denied. And we will reduce din yung claims going to legal. Okay? It's very simple actually, di ba? So, it's so simple that the tendency is we tend to neglect it. So, yan yung strategy. Aligned sa goal natin. Okay, let's proceed. Now, eto po. What is the objective? So, anong pinagkaiba? Yung objective ho, kailangan nyo lagyan ng something measurable. The objective, it must be very specific that you make something. It must be a measurable step to achieve the strategy. So, ano yung strategy? Reduce RTH, reduce denied, reduce ang legal. Why? If magawa ninyo yon, you can achieve the goal. What is the goal? Increase claims reimbursement. So, ano ngayon yung measurable step? So, hospitals, based on my experience, you need to be very specific. Ito, example, reduce the RTH to 2% or less per month. 0 claims denied per month, 0 claims referred to legal in 2024. Okay? So, at this point ho, malinaw po ba? Malinaw. You need to start with the goal. Ano ba yung gusto nyo? Okay? Increase revenue. Next, what's the strategy? Okay? Reduce RTH, reduce the denied, and okay, reduce the legal. Pag nawala ho yung RTH denied ninyo, natural yung mga claims na yun, babayaran. Tataas siya. Di ba? We're not talking here of the influx of patients, ha? Hindi pa. Doon ka muna sa pinakasimple lang. Gusto mong tumaas yung revenue mo. Okay? Huwag ka muna magdagdag ng pasyente. Gusto mong tumaas, ayusin mo muna yung RTH and denied. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa mga kliyente ko sa masterclass. Okay? Do not bring in patients yet. You need to be very efficient sa claims. Oh, kasi ganito, how do you increase the revenue? Ang sagot nila, let us increase the admission rate or the census. Sabi ko, sir, okay yan, pero later na. Bakit? Oh, nag-admit ka ng 100. Eh, yung 60 naman doon, RTH. Yung 40, denied. O, useless yun. Okay? Nag-aksaya ka ng oras pati ng pera. So, what I usually tell my clients sa masterclass, okay? If you want to increase your revenue in reimbursement, ito yung revenue mo. Gusto mong i-increase, okay? Yung RTH mo, i-reduce natin. Then you need to reduce the denied. And then you need to eliminate itong legal. And that will gradually increase. Once you're done with that, it means you are efficient already. Then, you bring in the patients. Because if you bring in the patient, disorganize ho yung claims processing mo, wala ho kayong income doon, puro na kayong RTH and denied. Okay? So,